Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Just showing you my new outboard stand I just built. You can do this easily with like 2x12 piece of wood. 8 foot will be plenty enough. I was lucky. Everything I've used here to build mine was scrap from a construction site. This is Phenolic stratified. They use this into commercial, institutional bathroom partition. This stuff is absolutely indestructible. It's pretty heavy, but hey, it's unbreakable, believe me. So this is garbage. This was garbage. This was garbage. Here the plywood was garbage. So cost me nothing. The only thing I paid for those two wheels. Yeah, wheels. Paid $12 for the pair. So gonna show you a bit how I can move my Outboard motor. I can go in the driveway with it, and it's gonna be easier for me to put that motor on the tailgate and on the phone to transport it and put it on my big boat. This motor actually is going to be only my kicker motor, just beside my nice DF90A 2018. This one is a 2020, so only kicker. It's going to be only idling. I hope I'm not going to have any problem. So move. So I only flip it like this and I can roll with it, no problem. I can go anywhere with it. That is most simple outboard stand, well, at least that I saw. Usually they're big and they take way too much space. This is 12-inch wide, so it's 12-inch wide. The top piece is 35 inches. I'm going to show you if I want to test the motor. Show you. Just take a Rubbermaid bucket, just like that, fill it with water, test the motor, fits nice. So for me, it's the best design for an outboard motor stand. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this with friends and family. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.